Hello from Winter Wonderland. In this video I want to show how a typical day in the life of me Paradise Studio looks. So usually when I'm on the way to work I'm listening to podcasts, but I just stopped for this recording. Let's just talk about the things I'm trying to accomplish today. I have to do some client work, some invoicing and some preparations for a shoot next week. I also want to update or upgrade the Paradise Studio Brandfilm. I don't have an idea for that. I'm working on a dolphin sculpture, so I'm working on some art I'm doing. And I would also like to shoot a new episode of Paradise Mindset. It seems a bit much for today. It's the 31st of March, it's 10:30. So as you can see, I'm the only one here in the office. This is my model for Dolphin. Should be having a two-dimensional look, even though it's gonna be kind of 3D-ish. I'm gonna apply more modeling paste, so I have a base for putting the color on. Now doing the day job, calling a client about some promotional videos. I also have to finish some concepts, some art concepts, which I hope to get on the street this year. And I also missed an appointment, and I'm gonna have a mentoring, not call, but we have a mentoring meeting today with Jonathan, Jojo. Arena, so we can talk about the technical setup we need. It's about doing a concert. We're about to see where we're gonna do the recording next week, and we have two options: to go on the stage on the other side or to shoot behind me. It's a bit tricky because we don't have a lighting setup for the stage, otherwise it would be easy to just go on stage. It's 4:30, client work is done. Now I'm gonna start texting the new Brandfilm. Just see what I've came up with. Welcome to Paradise, where visions are turned into reality. So, let's do the voiceover in the Paradise Studio voiceover cabin. Welcome to Paradise, where visions are turned into reality. I've edited the sound so it looks outstanding visual storytelling. It sounds a bit.
This is for the ones who want to be seen in the whole hustle and bustle.
Yeah, it sounds like a telephone that I'm on the phone. Yeah, thinking about using this kind of frame. It's something which I'm using in all my CIs, always the palm. Thing I did on my computer, on my Mac today, planning the basketball practice. So, call it a day. See you tomorrow.